Ever pondered about how automation might shape the future of YouTube? Automation, the process of creating systems to operate without human intervention, is already transforming the way we interact with YouTube. From the algorithms that suggest what we should watch next, to the automated copyright detection systems that protect creators' content, automation has become an integral part of the YouTube experience. But it doesn't stop there. The rise of automated video editing tools is also changing the game for content creators. These tools are streamlining the production process, allowing creators to produce high-quality content more efficiently. YouTube, as we know it, is becoming increasingly automated. And while this may seem daunting, it's also exciting. As these technologies continue to advance, they will open up new possibilities for how we create, share, and consume content on the platform. As we delve deeper into the era of digital transformation, YouTube automation will undoubtedly evolve in unprecedented ways. The journey of YouTube automation has been nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine a world where everything is manual. Uploading videos, managing channels, and even distributing content would be a tedious task, wouldn't it? But thanks to the advent of automation, YouTube has changed the game, bringing about a seismic shift in the way we create, manage, and distribute content. Let's take a trip down memory lane to understand how this evolution has unfolded. In the early days of YouTube, content creators had to manually upload each video, adjust settings, and manage their channels. This process was time-consuming and often led to inconsistencies in content delivery. Then came the era of automated uploads. YouTube introduced an API that allowed users to schedule their videos for automatic upload. This was a game changer. It not only saved precious time for creators but also ensured seamless and consistent content delivery. But the evolution didn't stop there. YouTube took automation a step further with the introduction of automated channel management. This feature allowed creators to automate various aspects of their channels, from video categorization to playlist creation. YouTube automation also extends beyond content creation and management. It has significantly improved the user experience on the platform. Take for instance the personalized video recommendations. YouTube uses complex algorithms to analyze user behavior and automatically suggest videos that might interest them. And let's not forget the automated captioning, a feature that has made YouTube more accessible for people around the globe. But it's not just about making things easier for creators and users. Automation also plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the platform. YouTube uses automated systems to monitor and regulate content, ensuring it complies with community guidelines and copyright laws. The evolution of YouTube automation is a testament to the transformative power of technology. But what does the future hold? As we look ahead, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. From AI-powered content creation to virtual reality experiences, the future of YouTube automation is a thrilling prospect. But that's a story for another day. For now, let's revel in the marvel that is the evolution of YouTube automation. The future of YouTube automation is a fascinating prospect, filled with endless possibilities. As we journey into this uncharted territory, we can expect to encounter advanced algorithms and innovative tools designed to optimize content creation and user experience. Imagine a world where YouTube algorithms are so advanced that they can predict trends even before they happen. These algorithms could analyze vast amounts of data, identify emerging patterns, and provide content creators with real-time insights to tailor their content. It's not just about understanding viewers' preferences, but also about predicting what they don't even know they want yet. At the same time, we could see a surge in automation tools designed specifically for content creators. These tools could take care of everything from video editing to SEO optimization, freeing up creators to focus on what they love most, creating content. They could even include AI-powered assistants that help brainstorm ideas, write scripts, or manage audience engagement. But YouTube automation is not just about content creators, it's also about users. With the advancements in AI and machine learning, we could see more personalized user experiences. Imagine YouTube not just recommending videos based on your viewing history, but also taking into account your current mood, time of day, or even the weather outside. However, with these advancements come challenges and ethical considerations. As algorithms become more sophisticated, there's a risk of them becoming black boxes, where it's unclear how they make decisions. This could lead to biases, misinformation, and a lack of transparency. Moreover, as automation takes over tasks traditionally done by humans, we need to consider the impact on jobs and creativity. We also need to address the privacy concerns related to personalization. While a highly personalized user experience can enhance engagement, it requires collecting and analyzing personal data, raising questions about data security and privacy. Indeed, the future of YouTube automation is a riveting intersection of technology, creativity,